Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Mikhet here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to share Messenger group link. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the Messenger application and make sure they are logged into your account. Now, to share Messenger group, you have to select that specific group. Open up the group. Once you land on your group, now tap on the eye icon from the upper right corner. You will land on this page. Here scroll down and under chat info you will get an option that says invite link. Tap on there. And now first of all, make sure that you have turned on the toggle that says invite link. If you have turned that off, turn on that, and under that you will get share option. Tap on there. And now you can share your group link via WhatsApp, Viber or Instagram, Facebook or on your drive as well. Or else you can also copy the link as well and then share it with others. So this is how you can share Messenger group link. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next video.